Hey everybody, Bo here, Amazon affiliate. I'm excited to share with you my favorite coffee maker. I'm going to show you how it works and demo it. So let's get to it. Alright, this is officially a espresso maker. And it calls for finer grind. Espresso makers, espresso coffee is usually finer grind. But you can also use Cuban, you can use a variety of different coffees. I use regular coffee in it all the time. It is available in different sizes from 1 cup all the way to 12 cups. Now this is a 6-cup espresso maker. And when they say 6 cups, they mean 6 espresso cups. And that would be one of these. So how this works is water goes on the bottom, grinds go in the middle, and then when it brews, the coffee ends up on the top. So it comes out this little sprout here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some water in the bottom, screw this off, and put the grinds in, and we'll go ahead and make a cup of coffee and show you how it works. Alright, I have put the water in. I filled it up to almost the top. You want to leave enough room for your coffee grinds. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in good old Colombian. Okay, so if you use regular coffee, you want to put it almost to the top, but leave a little bit of room just for expansion. And then screw this on. Now I find if you back it off a little and then go ahead and screw it on that way. Now you do want to make sure it's nice and tight so it has a good seal, because this will get pressurized. Now you want to put it on medium heat, and you want to make sure that the handle is away from the heat source, because the handle can get a little bit warm. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to come through the coffee up to the top. Now I have this open just for demonstration purposes, so you do want to leave it closed, but as you can see, it is brewing very nicely, and this is quick and it's easy to clean. Alright, well, traditional espresso is served in a small cup with a twist of lemon. You would twist it, put it on the rim, and then throw it in. And the reason for that is to take away the bitterness. But since I'm making regular coffee, we're going to go ahead and pour it right in. So there you have it. Great cup of coffee. Till next time, I'm going to say arrivederci or ciao. Oh yeah.